Good evening, everyone. Glad to see you. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Um, I really appreciate you all visiting with me, but I came to share some exciting news with you. Yesterday, I was in um, Hobby Lobby, and this surprise sale really took me, oh my goodness, my basket, y'all. I found out that this sale was anywhere from 50 all the way. Some items were almost 85, 90% off. Um, the signs that are up do say that there is a clearance on kitchen items. And so I got really, really curious. And I just kind of walked around there. Although you see those red tags everywhere, um, don't assume that all of the items in that specific area is clearance in the kitchen section. But I tell you what, they have some mighty good finds. If you are looking to refresh your kitchen, this is a wonderful time to do that. So some great prices out there. This bead collection, I have been watching it for some time. It's nice and vibrant and yellow. Guys, this secret sale, I call it a secret because I have not seen it anywhere on social media yet. So I couldn't pass up the moment to let my subscribers and new viewers know what's happening at Hobby Lobby. Look at this set here. I'm gonna stop talking for a little bit just so you can kind of see some of the items. But that red, those are red square napkins, cloth napkins that are on clearance. There were matching tablecloths to go with them. If you wanted to go ahead and get those picnic um, tablecloths, they were available, and just kind of make sure the prices make sense. This obviously was $224. That item regularly priced was $449. So you guys there, that particular one was about 50% off. But if you keep watching this video, you're gonna see some more items that are excluded because they do not have the red tag, but you'll also see some with a lot, not just some, a lot of items that have been clearanced out. These Cuisinart bowls is a three-piece mixing bowl set, and the lids marked down to $19.99. Y'all get in there and see. They have some incredible prices. But hang in with me through this video and you'll continue to see some of the items I found at my store. But you know, your miles may vary. It may be a little bit different in your store than mine because I know some stores carry a little bit more inventory than others. I kept going back to that Cuisinart 3-bowl mixing set because I just couldn't pass it up. So I'm going to be quiet, take a look. But guys, nobody was in the store. I said I was going to be quiet. Let me be quiet. Okay, I'm done. This Hello Kitty, look at that. It was $23.99 and they have marked it down to almost half off. Well, a little bit more than half off. So if you were looking for any of that during the Christmas time, it is all on sale right now. Look at that one. It was $80 and it's on sale for $49. So you guys take my word for it. Hobby Lobby has some great markdowns. Get in your nearest store as soon as possible. I have so much to share with you. I have got to break this video up into 2 more videos because I want to show you other items that I found that were greatly discounted. Stay tuned, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.